Hi everybody. In this video, we're going to do lesson 7-7, factoring trinomials once again. Both of your middle and your last term are going to be negative in this case. So let me give you an example. So the example number one is x squared minus x minus 2. We make our x, put our last number in the top, and our middle number in the in the bottom. Okay, all we want to do is find factors of 2, which luckily there's only one pair. So now what we can do is we could just play with these signs. So let's think about this. If I do 2 minus 1, I get a 1. I want an opposite of that. I want a negative 1, so I take the opposite of the numbers that you had. And so now this is going to be 1 times negative 2. And this one's going to be negative 2 plus 1. And that will get you, oh, sorry, I meant to write those in. Drop your x's, double bubble, drop your x's, and you get a positive 1 and a negative 2. Okay? Box it. And let's go on. Okay, number 2, it's x squared minus 7x minus 18. Okay, you make your box. Top number is 18. Bottom number is negative 7. We're just looking for 18 for now. Factors of 18. Oh, as I'm going through, I'm adding and subtracting. 18 and 1 is 19. 18 minus 1 is 17. Look at this though. 2 plus 9 is 11, but 9 minus 2 is 7. That gives us a positive 7. We want a negative 7, so we want the opposite, which means we will take the opposite of each number. So it's negative 9 and a 2. Okay, I double bubble, drop my x's in, subtract 9, add 2. That's number 2. Number 3. X squared minus 3x minus 10. All right, let's make a big X. Last number goes in the top. Middle number, or the coefficient of the middle term, goes in the bottom. So I'm going to look for factors of 10. 1 times 10, 2 times 5. Oh, and that's it. Well, 10 and 1 will never give you a 3, but 5 minus 2 equals 3. We want a negative 3, which means we're going to take a negative 5 and a positive 2. We're going to take the opposite of what we thought we were going to use. So now we have a negative 5 and a 2. Double bubble. Throw x's in the front. Negative 5 plus 2. Minus 5 and plus 2. Box it. And we have one more to do together. Okay. X squared minus 13x minus 48. Okay, make your x. I'm going to put the last term in the top. We're going to put the middle term in the bottom. 48 has a lot of factors, so let's go through. As we're going, we're kind of adding and subtracting in our head to see if something's going to work. So we have 1 times 48. We have 2 times 24. We have, does 3 go in? Let's see. 3 and 16, yeah. 3 times 16. Oh, wait. Look at this. 3 and 16. 16 minus 3 equals 13. We want negative 13, so take the opposites, and now you get a negative 13. Negative 16 plus positive 3. Double bubble, xx minus 16 plus 3. All right, I'm going to put up a couple of problems for you to try on your own. And then if you want to go to the next lesson, 7-8, it's just mixed factoring. There's nothing new on it. It's just 4 problems for you to do. So when you're done with this video, if you want to be done with math for the week, go on and do the next 4 problems, or the 4 problems in the next video. Okay, here are your 4 problems to try. Just pause, do the problems, come back, check your answers. Okay, here are the answers. I hope you did okay with them. If not, come online. 11:30 to 12. Nope, 11 to 11:30. That's your time. So at 11 to 11:30, I'm online every day. If you want to come on and ask some questions, please do. Okay, have a great day. And I miss you.